Hi guys, happy Monday. I'm going to show you a quick recording of how to make your Flipgrid video. So when you're ready to start, you're going to click on the link Flipgrid Pre-Algebra on your Google Classroom and it should open this screen right here. Here is the assignment that I posted. Choose one of the examples on the 12.5, 12.6 Practice B worksheet. Create a video explaining how to solve the problem. Record using the whiteboard or blackboard option so you can show your work. See my tutorial video for help. This is my tutorial video. So scroll down when you're ready to start. Like I said on the Google Classroom, I would suggest solving the problem that you choose out on paper first, and then checking the answer key. It's on the bottom of the second page of the worksheet that I posted so that you actually can see if you got it right ahead of time before recording it incorrectly. So try that first, do it on paper, make sure you understand how to solve the problem before you even record this video. But when you're ready, go down here. There's a giant plus sign. You're going to click on that. Don't be scared. Automatically, when you open it, it's going to open up on your face. So you don't have to record with your face on the screen if you don't want to. So I wanted to show you how you can change that if you don't want to show your face on the video. So if you look down at the bottom, there's some icons. If you are going to keep your face on the screen, you can change the filter if you want to. You can add text using any of these down here. You can add some stickers. As long as they don't interfere with answering the problem. You can draw, and you can use a board, which is what I'm going to show you. So there's a whiteboard and a blackboard option. If you click on either one of those, you'll see that the video completely goes away. Your face will not be on the screen at all, just your voice and whatever you put on the background. So this is perfect because what I could do is I can write on the screen while recording and talk rather than having to worry about what you look like on the video. So I think this is a perfect option. What you can do is you can upload the picture of the problem that you want to do. So if let's say you are going to do question number 2. So if you go back to Google Classroom, open the worksheet, choose which problem you're going to do. Like I said, try it on paper first. If you look on the bottom, there are the answers for everything except the review, but the review is not going to be one of the problems that you're going to do as your video. I better make sure I put that on Google Classroom. So let's say I'm going to do question number 2. So if you know how to screenshot, you can screenshot the picture you want. And then if you go back to Flipgrid, you can actually upload that picture as a photo sticker. So if you can play around with this and figure out how to do this, this will actually, I think, make things a lot easier for you. So let's say I'm doing this question, and I can upload this sticker right onto my screen. And like I said, you can record your voice while writing on the blackboard or the whiteboard or whichever one you choose. So you can move the sticker around, you can make it as big or as small as you want. That's totally up to you. Whenever you're ready to start recording, you're going to press this video button down here at the bottom. And then you can pick your color for your pen, your ink. Make sure you are recording and talking at the same time. So make sure you don't start until you press record. So it'll give you a little 3, 2, 1. Now you're ready to start recording your video. So let's say you begin to explain the problem. You can use your touch screen to write on your screen and talk as you write. If that's a little too much, maybe you want to write out your first step of the problem while it's on pause. Then hit record and explain what you had just written. It can be a little bit hard to do both at the same time, but since you have a touch screen, it might be a little bit easier. If you mess anything up, you can hit this back button. That'll clear the most recent thing that you wrote. Like I said, feel free to add some other fun things if you want. Add some stickers, add some text if you want, if it's easier to do it with a text box rather than writing on your touch screen. That's up to you. You can use a text box, you can move it around, you can make it bigger or smaller, you can change the color, that's fine. When you're all done and you're ready to record, you're going to hit next, and then it's going to start playing your video back to you.
Now you're ready to start recording your video.
If you need to edit anything,
so let's say
you can, let's say you mess up the last minute, you can just chunk this off, hit confirm, and then if you need to add more, you can go back and add more by clicking the add more button. So there's a couple ways you can edit this. It's nice if you make a mistake, you don't have to start all over again. So hit next when you're done, and then it's going to give you the option to add a selfie. You don't have to do this. You can, if you want to, put a nice giant sticker over your face. So pick one of these emojis. You can pick your favorite one. You can totally cover up your whole face if you want. This will be my selfie. Whenever you're ready, you hit the picture button and then hit next. And then you're going to type in your first and last name, and then your title is going to be the problem number that you did. So 12.5, 12.6, question number, I'm doing 2. So I'll type in question number 2. All right, and then when you're all satisfied, you're going to hit submit. Congratulations, complete, and then it will show you once you refresh this page that your video has been uploaded, and then you should, I think, see everyone else's too. So you can watch other people's if you want, but of course that's not required. Okay, if you have any other questions about how to make your Flipgrid video, I hope that this video helped you. Feel free to email me though if you still have more questions.